Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sylvia and welcome back to Sylvia's Circle. So today I am going to be basically telling you guys about basic makeup stuff you should have in your makeup bag as a beginner, as a normal, like your everyday makeup look. Basic affordable makeup things that you should have in your makeup bag. Most of us, I know most of the people that I know, they struggle with what product to get, how much they should budget for makeup every single time. So this is a list. I put affordable because there are expensive makeups too. I'm going to make a video for that too, but then I just want to like come down to the affordable ones, mostly for students. If you know you don't want to spend so much on makeup, but then you also want to look good, because when you know quality of makeup, a makeup on a person's face is how good the product is. When your product is good, your makeup is supposed to look good. You understand? So expensive products lead to better results. But then instead of us doing expensive, let's go for affordable. I use affordable because I am a student, so I have to, like, these on my face is all affordable. You understand? So I have to give you guys the gist. So let's get to it. First, primer. So guys, for the primer, we have a lot of bad primers, like good primers. Sorry, we have a lot of good primers. We have Huda Beauty. Obviously Huda Beauty is so expensive. Huda Beauty is so expensive. We have, obviously, Fenty is supposed to have their own primer, but then the primer that I know that if I make money in this life, the first primer that I am going to get is Huda Beauty primer. But for now, I am using a very affordable primer. I use TM Essentials primer. This is it. This is basically TM Essentials primer. TM Essentials. I use their skincare and I use their primer. Wait, I'm going to make a video on skincare. Just wait. Let me just look on their primer. It's good. It's good. The primer is good. A lot changed when I started using TM Essentials primer. And then guess what? The primer is just $2.5. I said affordable. I don't say cheap. Oh, it was calm down. Okay, yes, the primer is just $2.5. I'm going to put the in dollars. I'm going to put it here. TM Essentials for black skin girls especially is very good. TM Essentials is good. That's for primer, period. TM Essentials. Okay guys, for foundation, I'm going to give you guys two options. First of all, if you're going for a very low budget, not very low per se, but then if you're going for an okay budget, you need a foundation to use every single day. An okay budget, I will recommend Secure foundation. An okay budget. First of all, the foundation is good for the price. Do you understand? I feel like the price is, when I got like 2,000, 3,000, but the foundation is good for it when I got mine, because I got a lot, so I've not really replaced it like for a long time now. So the foundation is very good for the price. To me, it's good for the price. I've recommended it to my cousin. She uses it every single day, and when she uses the primer, it stays a lot. So any person that comes to me and like, what foundation should I get, I don't have much money, I'll be like, go and get Secure, go and get it, but get it with a good brush, so when you are blending it, it enters your skin very well. Now if I now want to go on a higher budget, I will now recommend to you Zaron. I'll recommend Zaron to you. I'm using this Zaron on my face. This is Zaron on my face. It's good. Can you see it? Very good. Zaron has so much coverage. Zaron has a very good coverage. I'm using the matte Zaron Healthy Glow Foundation Oil Control SPF 30. That means it has sunscreen inside. Zaron is good. Very good. If you want to go a little bit higher, because the difference between Zaron and this next one I'm about to go is not much. If you want to go for a little bit higher, everyday makeup foundation, go for Newborn Beauty. Now Newborn Beauty doesn't carry weight. This is matte. Newborn Beauty blends into your skin and makes it look all natural. I don't have that yet, but it blends into your skin and makes it look all natural. I got my Zara for 5k. The last time I checked, Newborn Beauty was 6k, so you can see the difference. So if you know you like simple smooth looks, please go for Newborn Beauty. If you know you want her and haha, go for Zara. But two of them, they kind of give good results. Two of them give good results. The two of them, they are good. Now if you want to go higher, go for Fenty. Yes, go for Fenty. So since we are talking on basic makeup looks for every day, I will recommend your powder. I used, when I started doing makeup, I used this face definer, Ezekiel face definer, and then Zara also has theirs. So it's basically highlighter, contour and bronzer all in one. It's 3 highlighter, contour and bronzer all in one. It's really good. You know how some people will get the whole palette? The whole palette is actually good. It's just that the whole palette is expensive. Yeah, so for your every single day look, just get these 3. Just 3 is okay. Yeah, and then if you want to get powder, because that's contour. You know what contour is? Yeah, contour, highlight, like contour. Yeah, do you understand? So then you put your bronzer and your cheekbones. Yeah, so that's what you, to me, that's what you should get for now as a starting makeup person. When you want to get powder, there's sometimes you cannot contour, sometimes you cannot highlight. You need everyday powder. I use Zaron. Okay, so I have a story. Zaron was the first, like, very high at that time makeup my mom got for me. I was really happy. Back then I would wear like very whack foundation, and immediately I put on this Zaron powder. It's like zoom, like I come out like popping. Yeah, I wear messed up foundations that time, and then it's all oily, and then the Zaron powder, it blends everything in. And that time I always go with just foundation and powder, and then maybe lip gloss or something. I like draw my eyebrows and stuff. So use this powder, just have it every day. Like when you want to put it in your pores, when you want to touch your face, this is the powder I used. Yeah, last time I got it in a dark shade. And then, do you know the sweetest thing about this powder? The sweetest thing about this powder lasts. This is Zara. Wait, let me show you. This Zara powder used to last. Just the time I used it. Okay, this one is like a year now because we're in lockdown. Yeah, this powder is a year and, let me be specific. The first time I got it, first time my mom got it, she got me. So like, this powder, do you like it? How much, sir? Me, I also get like cheap makeup now, like 500, 1,000 highest. So she was like, how much, sir? And the man was like 5k. And then she was like, bring it. I was like, mommy, give me the 5k, let me split it. Let me split it and get eyebrows, like eye pencil and stuff. And she was like, get this powder. Like the man was like, get this powder. And I used this powder, and the powder made the first time my first one, like, it broke. My roommate broke it. I hate you, Joy. Forever in my heart, I hate you. That was how I felt that time. My God, you knew one. So yeah, this is the powder, your go-to powder. Concealers, liquid concealers for underneath your eyes. Now, there are a lot of good concealers. When I make it in life, as I said, I will be a Hilda Beauty ambassador. Therefore, I will have so many free products of theirs. But now that I don't have it, for concealers, the badass concealers, the concealer I've used that is affordable is Ezekiel. See, Ezekiel, but they used to try for us, sincerely. These people, they give good products for this 2k, this 2k. Is it affordable? It's affordable now. How bad, sisterly? It's affordable. 2k. I use the lighter one, and then I mix it with the darker one. The coverage is mad. It's good. They are good for the price. It's good. They are good. Period. Don't tell me nothing. Like, like every clap way. Like, they are good. They are good. That's all I have to say. They are good. Moving on, eyeliner, mascara. Now, I don't know, for people that don't know how to do makeup, one thing I feel that should be first on your list for makeup items is a mascara. I've done a lot of clients' makeup. Their lashes are so terrible. The lashes can give you heartbreak. You are constantly trying to put lashes on top of somebody, and one is just popping out like two. Like, don't force me. I don't want to do it. I don't want to fall in line. I swear. It's so heartbreaking. Some people's lashes don't have conscience. Please, sister, get you a mascara. Arrange your lashes well. Arrange it well. The ones that are going astray will fall off at the point of your life. Yeah, it falls off. Please. And now, you have some mascaras will have like all those big brushes that used to wig somebody. The best mascara till now, I got it for my mom as her birthday gift, and like when she's rushing out to work, she can just put powder and put the mascara immediately. She was the best mascara. Now I'm talking about the best mascara I've used all through my makeup years, and that's a lot of years, mind you. All through my makeup years, the best mascara I've used is Zaron Lengthening. Take note though, the Lengthening mascara, Zaron Lengthening mascara, they are good. The mascara is good, and then like it catches the small inner hairs at the tip, all the hairs there, like, and then it comes out looking like you have like maybe like a very small natural looking lashes, like put on lashes, or not like your real lashes. It's like so cool. When I wear it, people are like, do you fix lashes? I'm like, no, I don't fix lashes, just I have a good mascara. Get you Zaron mascara, please, I beg you. That's it. For lipstick, for my lipstick, I've used a lot of lipsticks, sincerely. You know those lipsticks that have to be on the road, the roadside lipsticks, they were the go-to products back then. But then, well, I started like 2 years ago. I started using Zaron lipstick. See, Zaron don't know me. When your product speaks for you, you don't need to make noise. Benny, I used Zaron. I tried their, I think red. It's good. Although those lipstick that when you put it, when you just put your lips together, before you know, you see one black spot. The lipstick has shift. It's like crack Harmattan. Like, your skin is dry during Harmattan. You not see. Zaron, they are good. So I use their matte, and then I now use their max. I'll use their matte first. Yeah, the matte. Then I'll now use their matte. Always comes in this color, and then their max sheen. Their max sheen is literally gloss and color, like colorful lipstick, but with like in gloss form. I use their max sheen over my lips. Their max sheen can blend into their matte so well, like so very well. Like it's crazy. Like, this is my natural basic look. I used basic products just to show you guys what basic look can look like. The Zaron mascara, I got it for like 2.5. Everything is 222. I'm so sorry. I got it for like 2.5. I'm sorry for not mentioning that. And then the lipstick, the Zaron lipstick, sorry, I put affordable as the tag. But Zaron lipstick, I don't feel like it's affordable, but it's affordable, sha. But then, because Fenty is like close to 10k, Zaron lipstick is 2k. It's okay. Is it okay? When you get like 5, you're getting like 10k. It's okay. But it's just like it will pay. I used one for like 2 years. It will pay. And like they always have a sales. They will have Salah sales, they have Christmas sales, because they just have every sales. So when they're having a sales, you can get for like 1.5. So you get 3k. I think they have this code that they usually do. They do a lot of things. So yeah. So it's kind of like affordable. For eyeshadow, I just got one recently. Yeah, I usually used to use Morphe. Yeah, Jaclyn Hill palette. I got that one when money was kind. You know, sometimes money is to be kind. Yeah. So I recently got one, and I feel like I should go for this one. I should tell you guys this one more. Have you guys heard of Adventure Makeup? I feel like they're a Nigerian brand, but these people are good. Adventure Makeup. I've been seeing their brands, and like, if I was like, I asked her, okay, for eyeshadow, and she was like, oh, get adventure. This is it. I got the colorful one. Yeah, I'm using the pink in my eye, like this shade. Which one? Yeah, yeah, this is what I'm using. Yeah, and then little of this oil. It's pigmented, very pigmented. And then, do you know the nice thing? You can play with colors. Yeah, you can play with a lot of colors. It's very pigmented. It's very nice. I feel like if you want this, yeah, get it. And I think they have it in the matte too. Yeah, I was like, since I'm going to be having clients, I should get colorful. I have a lot of matte eyeshadows, yeah, so to me, go for the colored, but if you like less color, go for matte. And that's one thing, like, I'm using the product now, and it's not even that, I did not put much though, but then it's like, it's nice and it's like cool. Yeah, so that's it basically. Finally, for your powder, your loose powder, you know that there's this white, there are different types of loose powder. There's Sasha Buttercup, or those one I used back then. Yeah, but I'm using Zaron oil control now. Still Zaron. Again, I am not in any way related to Zaron, but their product speaks for them. I'm using this. It's exactly my color, so when I'm baking it blends into my skin because it's exactly my color. I think they have the darker shade, they have the lighter shade, they have any shade that you want. All you basically need to do is go on the site and check it out, and then you see it. Yeah, I think that's all for it. So these are the lists of everything that I mentioned. Go on the sites, check for their prices. The prices I mentioned may differ from the one that is there. Well, there's an inflation in the country, so I don't know, I don't think they will be the same, but then it will be close, very close. So these are the products here. So please up your game in your makeup. Your makeup will make your pores sweat a little bit, but you will see the product. It will be very nice. The end product will be very nice. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching till this time. If you have been with me till this time, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. I am still starting, and I really appreciate if you guys support me. You can't say no to this cute face. Please support me, please, I beg you guys. Yeah, and then see you the next video. Peace.